Hello, everyone. Welcome to Python Challenge for All. So let's continue our fractal drawing. Okay, so let's quickly review. So in lesson 118, we drew a fractal tree on Colab, Google Colab, and then 120 fractal drawing on desktop turtle. So we used a desktop environment to draw more simple trees which has very good properties like tracer off, update, and yeah, to show the gradual changes of trees in a very good way. Let's run it again to make sure that we are doing it right. So here, if we run it, starting from a thin tree, we can see the growing of trees. And the on the branch, on the leaf side, they are green, while the trunk is in black or something like that. So let's continue this to a more another interesting tree, fractal tree. So today's topic is fractal Pythagoras tree. Okay, drawing a fractal Pythagoras tree with turtle. Okay, let's do it with the same tree. So, okay, let's try to do it. So here, we need to remember that there is in recursive tree, we have base case, and then we have a right-hand side tree of level n minus one, which started as a simple trunk, simple branch, and then change it to our tree. And here, for the right-hand side, the same. So let's remember that rule and change it, save it as 121. Okay. EL 121 Pythagoras tree. Okay. Then, so which so we don't need it. Maybe we want to change the tree name to just simple tree. Okay. Um, so let's forget about here. Let's start from here. Okay. So what we need to do is we have base case. Maybe we might need it later. If n is zero, do nothing. So the Pythagoras tree is something like this. Okay. So we have a square here. It's like this. We have square here, and on top of it, we have a triangle like this. And then we have another two squares like this. So this is kind of familiar to you, right? The S1, when we call it square one, square two, square three, the area of S1 equals to the sum of areas of S2 plus S3, something like that. So we will try to start from this figure. So in this case, we might want to draw a square here on the beginning. So let's draw a base square. So a square can be can be drawn as four name in range 4, where maybe one line is enough. T dot forward S, then turn right by 90 degrees. So it's like this. Okay, let's see how it looks like. In this case, we might want to change it to 0, and we might want to change this to only once. And so let's see how it looks like. A tree, yeah, we should change this to tree. Yeah, right. We might want to change this to 1, starting from 1 to 2. Okay. Okay, there's a square here. Okay. Might want to change this to say 150. Okay. So then what do we have next? Next, we will have to form the right branch, this one. Move forward S. We're here, so move forward S, then turn left by 45 degrees. So here, the angle is 45. So we want to change it. Turn left by angle 45. So after drawing a square, t dot forward s, then t dot left by, say, 45 degrees. We might want to change it later. So we will define A as 45 and use A here. Okay? Then draw a square of size. This time the size is S over square root of 2, right? Yeah, this size. This size is square root of 2. So we might want to change this to, again, draw the same side. Drawing for as here, S over square root of 2, which is S times, no. 2 times power raised to the power of 0 0.5. This is square root, okay? S over square root of 5. Okay, let's see how it looks like here. Okay, right. Oh, sorry. We should start from the uh set set. Okay, yeah. We should start from set heading as top. Okay, you're right. This is what we want. And then, okay, let's see it. Turn right 90 degrees. We are here. We now go back to here. So we might want to turn right 90 degrees, move the same length S square root S over square root of 2 and draw the second square, S3. Okay, so let's do this. After doing this, T dot right by 90 degrees, then T dot forward, this length. Okay, let's define this as S1 equals S over S1 equals S over square root of 2. Okay. So in this case, we go the same length. And then write the other square here, right to the origin. Draw the second square, do the same thing here. Okay, let's check it. Did we Oh, S equals, I see. Okay. So it should be not here, but here. Okay. Likewise, we should have A here rather than on the top. Okay, let's write this way. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, S1, S2, and S3. But as we experienced in the simple tree, we need to go back to the original position and original heading. Okay, so we're here. So we go this way back and this way back. So what we need to do is we do the same thing back. So t dot forward backward minus S1, negative S1, t right. Yeah, do the same thing. Right, negative 90, then t dot left by negative A, and then t dot forward negative S. Now we're back to the original position with original heading. Let's check that. Okay, good. We are here in the beginning, going north, and have drawn the first Pythagoras tree. So this is almost done. Okay, change it to recursive calls, test and improve. Like we like just like we experienced in the simple tree, we will change the two square drawings to the same tree drawings of level n minus 1 and the same smaller size S1. So here we will change the first one, we will just leave it. The second one should be changed to 3 n minus 1 and size is S1. Okay? And we will remove this square root. Okay? The same thing. Okay? We will have the same one on the right hand side. We will change instead of drawing the same width and the same size. And we will check that this is correct. Shall we run it? Ah, okay, this is not good. Let's change to 2. Okay, so here, maybe we will write, so instead of 2, 100, and then we will exit it from here. So includes this. Yeah, we should have t dot down here. Okay. Ah, yeah, we need to check that everything is fine. So let's see what happens if we give 1. If we give 1, okay, we have this. If we give 2, what do we have? Yes. Yes, okay, it seems fine, but something is strange. We don't want these, right? That's the next one. The problem is there is something. Yeah, just like we experienced in the simple tree case, to avoid stray lines, we use pen down and up only for drawing squares. So the drawing should be only here. So we will put t dot down here. And after that, we will have t dot up here. This will make it better. Okay, good. Let's try 3 and see how it looks like. Oh, great. So this is Pythagoras tree recursion version. Good. So, yes. Now let's try bigger ones with tracer false and say for 5 or 6, 5. Okay, let's see what it looks like to have 5. Okay, 5 is like this. Good. Um, okay, let's stop here. We can draw big things, or we can draw gradual growing, just like last time. So you can try yourself. I will stop here. Maybe next time we will try to see filling each square with green, and then try yourself to modify to work well for other angles A. Okay, now A is only 45 degrees, but we might want to change A to say 40 or 50, something like that, which will make the tree more interesting shape. So try to fit that we worked for other aids. Okay, good. Hope you will come back and we will continue. Bye bye.